We have run quite a few ads on social media and sent direct messages to many people. We also purchase a lot of leads but struggle to get quality leads. Hello everyone, I am Nayan Jyoti Patowary and a proud digital networker. In today's video, I am going to share how to generate quality leads in just 10 minutes. Yes, just 10 minutes. As we and our team able to do it. Each member of our team is generating 60 to 70 quality leads every day. If you wanted to learn how, then watch this video until the end. Also, if you're seeing me for the first time, then please like this video and also subscribe to my channel so that you keep getting these helpful videos in the future. Without further ado, let's get started. First, understand the type of leads. There are three types of leads, that is low quality, medium quality and high quality leads. If a business is getting a low quality lead, then it will take a lot of time and effort to grow. On the other hand, if you're getting a good quality lead, the business will grow rapidly. So let's first understand what high quality leads are like. These leads approach you themselves. You don't need to message, call them or search for them. They come to you wanting to know about the business and also wanted to join the business. Imagine if prospects were approaching you directly and their data was being captured in your system. It would be an excellent situation, right? If you wanted to learn how to generate quality leads and grow your business quickly, check out the master link in the description box below. Don't forget to check out the first link in the description box and watch the ultimate webinar, ultimate masterclass to learn how to generate the quality leads. If you like this video and found the information valuable, please share it with others and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, take care and I will see you in my next video.